In a world increasingly conscious of its environmental footprint, corporate sustainability practices have become good for the planet and business. Market dynamics have started rewarding companies committed to sustainable practices, prompting businesses worldwide to join the eco-friendly movement. Yet, as with any trend, there exists the temptation for some to merely project an image of sustainability without implementing the necessary practices. This phenomenon is known as greenwashing for investment analysts. It's an issue that can't be ignored. Greenwashing, a portmanteau of green and whitewashing, is a deceptive marketing ploy where companies exaggerate or falsely claim to be environmentally friendly to appeal to green-conscious consumers and stakeholders. Coined by environmentalist J. Westerveld in the 1980s, the term has come to encapsulate any insincere display of environmental concern by businesses. As TerraChoice, an environmental marketing company, astutely observed, there's a lot more green marketing than green products. They even identified the 7 sins of greenwashing in a 2010 report, shedding light on common misleading claims. These sins include lack of proof, vagueness, and irrelevance, all designed to give an eco-friendly veneer to potentially unsustainable practices. For investment analysts, greenwashing poses significant risks. Firstly, it can mislead investors into overvaluing companies that seem environmentally responsible but might be cutting corners. Such companies might face future liabilities, public relations crises, or increased regulatory scrutiny. Additionally, greenwashing obscures the achievements of genuinely sustainable businesses. Joel Mackauer, chairman of GreenBiz Group, noted the problem with greenwashing is that it dilutes the brand value of sustainable products and services, making it harder for consumers to find products and services that help them live a green lifestyle. For discerning investment professionals, several strategies can aid in detecting greenwashing. 1. Scrutinize reporting. Comprehensive and transparent environmental reporting, often verified by third parties, can be a hallmark of genuine commitment. 2. Assess materiality. Companies committed to sustainability will focus on material issues specific to their industry and operations. 3. Compare words to actions. A large discrepancy between a company's marketing messages and actual practices is a telltale sign. 4. Third-party certifications. Look for certifications from reputable bodies like the Rainforest Alliance, Fairtrade, or Energy Star, as these often require rigorous standards. And finally, 5. Engage in question. Directly engage with the company, asking detailed questions about their sustainability practices. Greenwashing can be a tempting shortcut for companies seeking to tap into eco-conscious consumer sentiment in a market that increasingly rewards sustainability. However, as stewards of capital and champions of genuine corporate responsibility, investment analysts must sift through the noise, ensuring their investment decisions are based on substantive and authentic sustainability practices, not just green-tinted marketing. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages, Henry Ford once remarked. Similarly, the informed investor rewards genuine corporate sustainability, creating an ecosystem where actual green practices, not just greenwashing, thrive.